Morning to all.
Next performance, Dhanvika is going to tell you Tamil Nadu district name.
Good morning to all. My name is Dhanvika. I am studying junior KG. District name 38. Ariyannur, Chalapat, Chennai, Coimbatore, Kadalur, Dharmapuri, Dindigal, Erode, Kanchipuram, Kalakurchi, Kanyakumari, Karur, Krishnagiri, Madurai, Mayiladuthurai, Nagapattinam, Namakkal, Nilgiris, Perambulur, Pudukkottai, Ramanathapuram, Ranipet, Salem, Sivagangai, Tenkasi, Tanjavur, Theni, Thuthukudi, Tiruchirappalli, Tirunelveli, Tirupattur, Tirupur, Tiruvannamalai, Tiruvarur, Velur, Velparam, and Vizhunagar. Thank you.